my house?
Yes, I have. But she won't allow me to go because it's on Thursday and we have classes the day after that.
Oh, well, it's not a Thursday night. Mayan, it's going to be on Friday night.
Oh, I was not listening to you on the phone because I was calling to my TikTok when we talked about it. I'll talk to my mom again.
Oh, that's okay.
The first sender of the conversation is Inday. The stimulus of the conversation, how you talk to your mom about the overnight study session for our activity sheet in the oral communication subject at my house. Inday initiated the stimulus by bringing up your study session.
Mayan is the receiver of the first message. Yes, she did. She answered by saying, yes, I have, but she won't allow me to go because it's on Thursday, and we have classes the day after that.
Inday corrected that it's Friday and not Thursday. Mayan quickly replied that she may have misheard their conversation and will ask her mother again. Yes, there's a communication breakdown. Mayan wasn't really paying attention due to her scrolling through TikTok while they were talking. It's successful. There was a miscommunication on the line because of the first call, but the correct information was quick to follow up.